In today's video, I'm working on a small canvas and I'm using some acrylic paints to paint a little abstract poppy field. I'm starting out with some white and some light blue to create the sky, and then I'm slowly adding some darker blue just to give it a slight contrast and variation of color. Once my blue was down, I started adding a little bit of white to create some clouds in the sky, and you could really go through and add as many or as few as you want and just start blending it in a little bit to just create an airy look to those. I then started on my lower portion, and I have a few different shades of green. And I'm just going to blend this in up to the point where I reach the sky. Once I had my dark green down, I started adding some lighter shades of color to create some contrast and some bushes and grass areas. I waited for my base coat to dry. I didn't want my flowers to blend into the green too much, so once that paint was dry, I just used a small brush and started adding in my poppies. While you're doing this, you can add as much or as few as you want. You can also use all sorts of different colors to create different flowers. I added a few stems and then I went in with some other colors just to add some other detail. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.